Alright guys, this is the last day of our Florida vlog. Well, last night rather. And we are doing skincare. This is my first time using these eye bags and I just feel as if, I don't know, did I put it too close to my eyes? Because it feels as if this thing wants to enter my eyes. So I'm now doing like this. Anyway, it's Mofe that gave me. We are doing eye bag skincare.
Yeah, to help us recover from
All the stress.
2 days, the sun, everything. We'll see if it works.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome.
And now we're watching a tutorial video to be sure that we want this thing right.
Yeah. So that's it. We're about to sleep. We have to wake up a bit early tomorrow because we have a flight to catch in the morning. Not too early in the morning, but our flight is by 11. So basically we have to leave the results by 9. Yeah. Wish us good night. Good night, guys.
Wish us good night, Bao. This is coming out now.
Good night. Good night, guys.
We are leaving.
It's goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm going to miss this place. I'm going to miss being on vacation. I need to do this more often.
I know.
You
But
know.
please get your money up.
You guys, say bye to Mofe for now. I'm leaving Johnson City, Tennessee, and I'm going to be flying to Charlotte, and then from Charlotte I'll be flying to London. And I'm going to miss her so much. Dad,
You're a good girl.
how are you?
We didn't pay for you at the house.
I have gotten no more. This is what's past 1 in the morning. I've been through a lot. But finally, I have gotten home. So nice to see my bed again.